Welcome back to Cheap Tech Reviews. This your boys Rakim, man, and I'm back with another unboxing. I actually already did the unboxing on this device, but I deleted it off my channel because last night when I did the unboxing, it somehow recorded upside down. I don't know how it do that, so it ain't getting any views anyway. So let's get started. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just read off the specs real quick, man. We have a 6.2 HD plus 19 by 9 all screen design. We have a 720 by 1500 resolution, which is which has 271 pixels per inch. We have a MediaTek Helio P22 processor. Is a powerful octa-core 2 gigahertz processor, 64-bit. We have a 32 gigabytes of internal memory with 3 gigabytes of RAM, 13 plus 2 megapixel dual main camera with LED flash, a 13 megapixel selfie camera with LED flash, and a blue, in blue final touch, advanced security fingerprint. Excuse me, guys. Advanced security fingerprint sensor, a micro SD card up to 128 gigabytes, 4G LTE category 7, high speed data up to 300 megabytes per second. Non-removable battery is a 4,000 milliamp hour battery at that. Android 8.0 Oreo. Those are the specs of the device. Now let's get started with the official unboxing. I already set this phone up because, like I said, I already did the unboxing. So the phone is already set up. I already put my own little launcher on there and all of that. So, but I still put everything back together to try to give y'all the full experience of the unboxing of this device. All right. So let me take the top off it. Okay. This the phone. Actually, the phone was, as you know, the phone be already in the, in the little sleeve. And then we're gonna remove this. Put that there. You get you a little blue sticker. Right here. Okay. Poison. Right here we have, this is actually what the phone's supposed to have came in, but I just put, this is the micro USB cable. So it's not type C, and I'm mad at that, but for $129, I can't complain. Okay. It do come with a pair of headphones. Little cheap old headphones. They real cheap. Blue logo right there. But they like super cheap headphones. Like, you can tell they cheap headphones. You know what I'm saying? About like the iPhone cheap head, the cheap iPhone headphones. Alrighty. Just bear with me, guys. And we have the power brick right here. Okay. That's the power brick. I don't know if it's a fast charging brick or what, but that's the blue logo. Yeah. You already know what it is. That's that. The phone comes with books and startup guide and all of that shit. Plug it and file them. You got your SIM tool to get in the SIM tray. Okay, you have, would be a TPU all clear case right here. All right, ain't nothing special, nothing fancy. Just a little clear case, that's all. Nothing fancy at all. But this is my favorite case right here that I like, that I will be rocking on this phone. I love this case. I had it on all last night when I set the phone up, played with the phone all night actually. So yeah, that's that. So okay, just gonna push all of this stuff to the side. and just deal with the device. Let's peel it. I already put the glass screen protector on and all of that. This is the gold version. All right. And this thing, y'all already know this fingerprint is crazy on this phone. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, we gonna go ahead on and give the phone a boot up. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to boot it up. I'm gonna go on to put the case on it. But before I put the case on it, this is your fingerprint sensor right here. This your blue logo, your LED flash with your dual camera setup. You do have a camera right there with your LED flash and your sensors. Nothing. Your SIM tray is right there. If you guys can see that. Yeah. On this side, your volume rocker up and down right there, and your power button right there. At the top, you get your 3.5mm headphone jack, which is perfect. I love that the phone still got a headphone jack, and your micro USB port at the bottom with a mic. Okay, let me go and put the phone in the case like I had it, which beautiful. This phone is nice and got a nice little weight to it as well. Going to boot it up. Got good weight to it. The weight is excellent. Man, that thing get bright. That thing get bright. That thing get bright. It may not really show. Y'all can't really see it on the camera, but man, this is beautiful. This is one gorgeous display. I mean, for this to be a 720p display, it really looks good. It looks really good. It looks really good. Okay. And like I said, I got my own setup on this phone. And it's nice and sharp. I mean, it's sharp and it's nice and fluid. You know what I'm saying? Nice and fluid. Nice and fluid. I'm gonna have to let it load up because as of right now, you know what I'm saying, it does like have to put the Wi-Fi have to load back up on it and all of that. But man, this is one gorgeous device. It really is. It's a really nice device. And like I said, I got that launcher on there. Let me kind of boot this down. Okay. And with this flash, it's not really gonna do no justice because, you know, I got the flash on because the lighting in my house is not that. The lighting is not that good in my house, so yeah, I got like cheap lights in my crib, so it ain't nothing fancy in here. But like I said, man, this is the unboxing of this device. I already put like I said, I already got the glass screen protector on it and all of that. Man, it's so fluid. For these 3 gigabytes of RAM, man, and the 2 gigahertz octa-core processor on this device, man, it really is fluid. You know what I'm saying? Like, honestly, like, I have some high-end phones that this phone just might outperform. It just might outperform it. Like, it might, for real. Like, you know, as far as, like, just easy to use. Now, yeah, I'm not gonna say like as far as like gaming and stuff like that. Now, this phone can run like really intense games like PUBG Mobile, but only on the lowest settings. But other than that, every other game that I play on it, like Max Payne, NBA 2K19, San Andreas, the little Bully Edition, it's like all of these games play really smooth and well on this device. Like, plays really good on this phone. It really do. Plays really good. And content, as far as like watching videos, like media and all of that, it's perfect. YouTube and all of that is perfect. The speakers, it's not the loudest. For 129, I mean, you basically can't beat it. I mean, seriously, you can't beat it at all. So let me go there. And yes, it do have the 5 GHz band. It does have the 5. It does support the 5 GHz band for the on the Wi-Fi. So that's something to definitely look forward to. It's supposed to be on the 2G now. I don't know where it's at, but I guess it's gonna pop up. It takes a little minute before it pop up because I guess it's loading. You know, I don't know what it's doing, but sometimes it take a little bit to start loading and stuff like that. So, but man, I tell you, man, like for $129, man, you just honestly, man, you just can't go wrong with this phone, man. Like seriously, you just really can't go wrong with it. Like you just can't. I mean, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful design. You know, you get that 19:9 ratio. You know what I'm saying? You get that 19:9 aspect ratio, and it's dope. You know, or you can just cut that off and just cut the notch off by doing that. But you know, I don't mind the notch. Okay, so now all of my notifications coming in, so I'm guessing that the Wi-Fi is back on now. And man, let me go to YouTube like I was saying. Like the speakers is not the loudest, but it'll do. Dang. Boy, I shouldn't have turned this phone off. I had it off for a while. Cause I had like went out today or whatever. And
I go, Mom, and I hear it in the background. She's watching it too, saying, and this is where it come, my mom.
perfect.
Sweetheart.
Yes.
Got a lot of notifications and all of that coming in. But man, it's just a really beautiful display. Man, I should have turned all of that off.
I've never seen that before.
It's perfect. It really is. This is just where it's at, man. You see, you can still play it on the screen. You see that? It's perfect. The launcher that I got, you can actually, you know what I'm saying? And then you can make it back big again. It's dope, man. Like, it really is. This is a really dope phone. Like, it really is, man. I love it. I love it. I love it. You know what I'm saying? For the price of $129, man, you can't go wrong with this phone. You just can't go wrong with it. Like, I actually, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I haven't really recommended a phone in a while other than, you know, the iPhones and all of that. But, man, I highly recommend this device at this price for $129. This is a solid build device. And not only that it's a solid build, it's actually worth the price. I mean, they did have to sacrifice some with the far as the micro USB and all of that go, but man, and the fingerprint on this thing, man, it's so fast. Like, it's so fast. Like, the fingerprint is so fast on this phone. Like, it's like super fast. Like, it's fast. Like, for real. For $129. It's for $129. It's fast. It's a very fast fingerprint scanner for $129. I mean, like, seriously, I'm using the iPhone 7 Plus as my daily driver, and the iPhone 6s Plus as my backup device. But this is easily a great device. Easily could be either a backup phone, or this can easily actually be your main phone, like, for real, because it's a great device. Well, that's all for the unboxing of this device. I'll be back with the full review. And yeah, man. Stay tuned, man, for the full review of this phone, man. You really gonna love it, yo. I promise you. Stay tuned. Keep your head up. Please hit that like and subscribe to my channel. If you would like to donate, my Cash App will be in the description at the bottom. I'm stuttering the shit, but yeah, only if you can, you know what I'm saying. I'm accepting donations so I can get more devices and things like that, you know, so I can do more unboxing and bring the channel more content for you guys. So yeah. Other than that, man, keep your head up. Man, I love you all, man. God bless and peace.